Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal, and in this tutorial I'll be unboxing our PRO25 professional workshop battery charger and power supply. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. Okay, let's see what's in the box. This is the PRO25 charger. As you can see, it's got a tough sealed plastic case, a power lead, a heavy-duty 2-meter charge cable with positive and negative clamps, and an integrated temperature sensor. In the box, there's also a comprehensive multilingual manual, which will tell you everything you need to know about how the PRO25 works. Well, that's a PRO25 unboxed. Thanks for watching.